Picture this. You've been hitting the gym religiously, sculpting your physique with dedication and discipline. But life throws a curveball, a vacation, a demanding work project, an unexpected illness, and suddenly, your week of workouts is replaced with a week of rest. Panic sets in. Will all your hard-earned muscle melt away like ice cream on a hot summer day? Will you lose all your gains and have to start from scratch? The fear of losing muscle during a break from training is a common one, often fueled by fitness myths and misconceptions. We've all heard the whispers, if you don't train every day, you'll lose everything. But is this really the case? Does a week off training really spell disaster for your muscles? The truth is, taking a week off from training is not the muscle mass apocalypse it's often made out to be. In fact, short breaks can be beneficial for your overall fitness journey. This essay will delve into the science behind muscle retention, debunk common myths, and offer reassurance that a week off won't derail your progress. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's explore the reality of what happens when you take a break from your workout routine. One of the most pervasive myths surrounding workout breaks is the idea that muscle starts to disappear almost immediately after you stop training. This use it or lose it mentality creates a sense of urgency, pushing people to train even when their bodies are screaming for rest. The fear is that even a few days off will lead to noticeable muscle loss, undoing weeks or even months of hard work. Another common concern is the perceived impact on strength and performance. Will you feel weaker after a week off? Will your lifts suffer? The thought of losing strength gains can be discouraging, leading some to power through fatigue and potential injury just to avoid a break. This fear is often amplified by social media, where the constant display of intense workout routines can make a week of rest seem like a fitness sin. The reality is far less dramatic. While muscle protein synthesis, the process of building muscle, does decrease when you stop training, it doesn't plummet overnight. Your body doesn't instantly switch from building muscle to breaking it down. There's a grace period, and a week off is well within that time frame. So while these concerns are understandable, they are largely unfounded. The body is far more resilient than we often give it credit for. To understand why a week off won't sabotage your gains, we need to look at the science behind muscle protein synthesis and breakdown. When you train, you create micro tears in your muscle fibers. Your body responds by repairing these tears and building new muscle tissue, leading to growth and increased strength. This process is fueled by protein synthesis. When you take a break from training, the rate of muscle protein synthesis does decrease. However, this doesn't mean your muscles are immediately shrinking. Muscle protein breakdown, the process of muscle loss, also slows down during periods of rest. This is because your body is no longer subjected to the stress of intense workouts, reducing the need to break down muscle tissue for fuel. Furthermore, your body has an incredible ability to adapt. When you return to training after a break, muscle protein synthesis ramps up quickly, often exceeding pre-break levels. This phenomenon, known as muscle memory, allows you to regain strength and size faster than it took to build them initially. So, while a week off might lead to a slight decrease in muscle protein synthesis, it's not a cause for alarm. Your body is designed to maintain muscle mass, and a short break won't undo your hard work. Many renowned fitness experts and trainers emphasize the importance of rest and recovery in a balanced training program. Brad Schoenfeld, a leading authority on muscle hypertrophy, states that short-term detraining periods of up to 2 weeks have little to no impact on muscle size and strength. He further emphasizes that adequate rest is crucial for allowing the body to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Similarly, strength coach Mike Israetel advocates for strategic deloads, planned periods of reduced training volume or intensity to prevent overtraining and promote long-term progress. He argues that deloads can actually enhance muscle growth by allowing the body to fully recover and come back stronger. These expert opinions highlight the fact that short breaks from training are not detrimental to your fitness goals. In fact, they can be a valuable tool for optimizing recovery and maximizing long-term gains. Section 5. Real-life examples. Athletes and their time off. The concept of rest and recovery is not just theoretical, it's a practice widely embraced by professional athletes across various disciplines. Elite marathon runners often incorporate rest days into their training schedules, allowing their bodies to recover from the intense physical demands of long-distance running. Weightlifters, known for their rigorous training regimes, also understand the importance of deload weeks. These periods of reduced training volume help prevent burnout and reduce the risk of injury, ensuring they can perform at their peak when it matters most. Even bodybuilders who prioritize muscle size and definition factor in rest days and occasional breaks from training. This allows their muscles to fully recover and rebuild, leading to greater growth in the long run. These real-life examples demonstrate that taking breaks from training is not a sign of weakness or a lack of dedication. It's a strategic approach to optimize performance and ensure long-term progress. Section 6. No gym, no glory. Debunking the daily grind. The fitness industry often promotes the idea that more is always better, that you need to be constantly pushing your limits to see results. This no pain, no gain mentality can lead to an unhealthy obsession with training, creating a fear of taking even a single day off. However, this approach ignores the crucial role of rest in muscle growth and overall well-being. When you train, you're not just building muscle, you're also depleting your body's energy stores, creating microscopic tears in muscle fibers, and stressing your central nervous system. Without adequate rest, these stresses accumulate, leading to fatigue, decreased performance, and increased risk of injury. Your body needs time to repair and rebuild, to replenish energy stores, and to allow the nervous system to recover. So, while consistent training is essential for progress, it shouldn't come at the expense of your health and well-being. Taking breaks is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of intelligence and a commitment to long-term sustainable progress. Section 7. The benefits of breaks. Recharging for peak performance. Taking a break from training offers a range of benefits that extend beyond simply preventing muscle loss. Rest allows your body to fully recover from the stresses of exercise, reducing fatigue and promoting overall well-being. This can lead to improved sleep quality, increased energy levels, and a more positive mood. Breaks can also help prevent overtraining, a state of chronic fatigue and decreased performance that can result from excessive training without adequate rest. Overtraining can lead to a plateau in progress, increased risk of injury, and even hormonal imbalances. Furthermore, taking time off from the gym can provide an opportunity to focus on other aspects of your fitness journey. This might include trying new activities, improving flexibility and mobility, or simply enjoying active rest and recovery practices like yoga or swimming. By embracing breaks as a valuable part of your fitness routine, you can optimize your recovery, prevent overtraining, and return to the gym feeling refreshed, motivated, and ready to perform at your best. Section 8. Your week off. A strategic pause, not a setback. So how should you approach a week off from training? First and foremost, don't panic. Remember, your body is resilient, and a short break won't undo your hard work. Embrace this time as an opportunity to rest, recover, and recharge. While you don't need to hit the gym, staying active is still beneficial. Engage in light activities you enjoy, such as walking, swimming, or cycling. These activities can help maintain blood flow, improve recovery, and prevent stiffness without taxing your body. Prioritize sleep, hydration, and nutrition. These factors play a crucial role in muscle recovery and overall well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, drink plenty of water, and focus on consuming a balanced diet rich in protein and nutrients. Most importantly, listen to your body. If you're feeling fatigued or sore, don't push yourself. Use this week to truly rest and allow your body to recover fully. Remember, taking a break is not a setback. It's a strategic pause that can ultimately enhance your fitness journey. Section 9. Conclusion. Relax, you've got this. The fear of losing muscle during a week off from training is a common misconception fueled by fitness myths and the pressure to constantly push limits. The reality is that your body is far more resilient than you might think. Short breaks from training won't sabotage your gains, and they can actually be beneficial for your overall fitness journey. By understanding the science behind muscle retention, embracing the expert opinions of top trainers, and observing the practices of elite athletes, we can dispel the myths surrounding workout breaks. Rest and recovery are not signs of weakness. They are essential components of a balanced and effective training program. So the next time life throws a curveball and your week of workouts turns into a week of rest, don't panic. Embrace the break, prioritize your well-being, and trust that your body will maintain its hard-earned muscle. When you return to the gym, you'll be refreshed, recharged, and ready to continue your fitness journey stronger than ever.